Now let's review the 7 ITIL version 3 service transition phase processes, starting with transition planning and support. Transition planning and support is about ensuring that the requirements of service strategy encoded in service design are effectively realized in service operations by coordinating and planning the resources required to deliver new and changed services into the production environment successfully. Change management is about minimizing the business disruption of changes, ensuring that we can answer the question what changed and getting customers the changes they need quickly with quality and continual improvement. Service asset and configuration management is about ensuring a logical model of the IT infrastructure that correlates the IT services, assets and IT components that are needed is defined, controlled, maintained and kept accurate as a source of information for fact-based management of IT services, and to comply with corporate governance requirements. Release and deployment management is about ensuring releases, sets of related changes are put into production successfully, that they enable the effective use of services and that they deliver customer value by defining and agreeing on release and deployment plans with customers and stakeholders. Service validation and testing is about ensuring that new or changed services deliver customer and business value, by assuring that the service offering is fit for purpose and fit for use. Change evaluation is about formally assessing new or changed IT services to ensure risks have been managed and to help determine whether to authorize the change. Knowledge management is about ensuring the correct information on service usage, consumption, delivery constraints, and obstacles to realizing benefits is delivered to the appropriate place or person at the right time to enable informed decisions.